Okay, I want you to follow along right now while I explain the vision of Real Estate Money, why I made this course, and why this is so exciting for you to be along this journey with us. So, this module that you're completing right now about how to generate income, how to build a database in a down market and make money right now, that's not the long-term goal. The long-term goal is to turn you into a buyer's agent, a listing agent, to turn these renters into buyers and make real money, to begin scaling your business. This is honestly just the beginning. It's how I built my business from zero to where I am now. I need you to be excited along this journey with me because this is a huge starting point for you. You're not going to make a little bit of money. You're going to make a lot of money right now. But you need to understand that this is just the starting point. Okay. Once you solve the problem of making money right now, building your database, it's literally the tip of the iceberg. We're going to turn you into a buyer's agent, which is then going to turn you into a listing agent, which is then going to allow you to start your own team and scale your business. It goes on and on and on. But I need you to see the vision for yourself with this course. We're here to start you off with rentals, to make you money and solve the problem of putting money in your account right now, today, so that in the future, you only work with buyers and sellers. You're able to scale your business. You're able to go from 6 figures to 7 figures. This is where it all begins right now.